can't spell success without you. PowerPlan Project presents
Back in the Kitchen.
The Perfect Fried Egg, Take 2.
Hello there, and welcome to Back in the Kitchen. Quite a while ago I did a video which was how to make the perfect fried egg. Now the principle of this video was to actually make the egg so it doesn't appear burned, as many people do on the bottom. Also use the butter, make it taste nicer, and actually produce something that is very, very presentable to anybody that would actually have a fried egg. There has been a few people saying, well, we've looked at the video, but it stuck to the pan and you used a lot of butter. So what I wanted to do today was just to readdress it and in effect redo it, and this time redo it properly. Now I've actually assumed quite wrongly that the actual pan was at fault. So we used an old Tefal pan which has been around for a while. The bottom of it is just worn. So I put the extra butter in on the video, hoping it wouldn't stick. Obviously it did. So I've wondered and pondered and wondered and pondered, and then I've got notified by a top chef. We can't say who it is, but a big top chef. And he's addressed where we're going wrong. So let's do the egg again, but this time let's do it with a little bit of a hidden secret. So what we're going to do is get the hob hot. So we're going to put the hob on full heat. We're going to add the frying pan. Now this is a Rockwell frying pan, not a Tefal one, which is non-stick. Put the butter in. We're going to use 9 grams of butter, and we are using 9 grams of butter this time. Put it in and get this thing absolutely melted and caught in the pan. More or less as it's all melted, what we need to do is put 15 ml of water in the pan, use the spatula and give it a good stir. Now what this is going to do is reduce the sticking of the egg, and it's going to make it far more presentable. And this time, because we're actually using the trick, what we're going to do is do 2 eggs so we can show off a little bit. And of course we're only using 9 grams of butter, so it's going to be better for us calorie wise. So now we've got the eggs in the pan. Once again, turn the heat down to about medium, put the lid on and leave it for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, simply take the lid off, use the spatula, just go under the egg and just release it a little bit, make sure it doesn't stick. They do move quite freely. Putting the water in with the butter is quite a neat little trick. So we'll move those around, put the lid back on and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. What we're looking for is for the egg not to be slimy on top. So the easiest way to do that is try it, just touch it. And once we're happy that they're ready, slowly and carefully, it's hot, lift the eggs from the pan and put them on the plate. And there we go, they're looking much better. Don't forget to add salt, but this really does improve it. So there we go, so that's the fried egg, or the perfect fried egg take 2. Hopefully you'll find this a lot easier. Give it a go. If it works for you, as it's just worked for me, let us know in the comments. We also have the email address at the end of the video. But it does taste great, it does look better, and eggs is not the evil of food as we're all led to believe. They're actually really good for you. So give it a try, let us know what you think. But until next time, take care, and we will see you soon.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.